How to install Microsoft Server 2016 trial. To install the trial version of Microsoft Server 2016, follow these steps. 1. Insert the installation media, USB or DVD, into the server or virtual machine where you want to install Microsoft Server 2016. 2. Restart the computer or virtual machine and boot from the installation media. 3. On the initial screen, select your language, time, and currency format, and keyboard layout, and then click Next. 4. Click Install Now. 5. Enter the product key if prompted, or select Skip if you want to install the trial version. 6. Select the edition of Windows Server 2016 that you want to install, Standard or Data Center, and click Next. 7. Accept the license terms and click Next. 8. Select Custom, Install Windows Only, Advanced, as the installation type. 9. Select the hard drive or partition where you want to install Windows Server 2016, and click Next. 10. Follow the prompts to complete the installation process. This may take some time, depending on the speed of your computer or virtual machine. 11. Once the installation is complete, you can log into Windows Server 2016 using the administrator account and begin configuring the server. Note that the trial version of Microsoft Server 2016 is valid for 180 days, after which you will need to purchase a license to continue using it. What to do if Microsoft Server 2016 trial not installing? If you encounter issues while installing the trial version of Microsoft Server 2016, here are some troubleshooting steps you can try. 1. Check the system requirements. Make sure that your computer or virtual machine meets the minimum system requirements for Microsoft Server 2016. 2. Check the installation media. Ensure that the installation media, USB or DVD, is not damaged or corrupted. Try using a different installation media or downloading a fresh copy of the trial version. 3. Check the installation settings. Ensure that you have selected the correct language, time, and currency format, and keyboard layout. Also, ensure that you have selected the correct edition of Microsoft Server 2016 that you want to install. 4. Check the installation location. Ensure that you have enough free space on your hard drive or partition where you want to install Microsoft Server 2016. 5. Check the installation process. Make sure that you follow the installation process step by step, and don't skip any steps. 6. Check for compatibility issues. Check if there are any compatibility issues between Microsoft Server 2016 and other software or hardware on your computer or virtual machine. 7. Contact Microsoft support. If you have tried all of the above steps and are still unable to install Microsoft Server 2016, contact Microsoft support for further assistance. Remember that the trial version of Microsoft Server 2016 is valid for 180 days, after which you will need to purchase a license to continue using it.